Hello, kids! Welcome back to my studio. We are going to learn how to make something new for Mrs. Cow's Picnic Day animation. Well, today we want to make a yummy strawberry milkshake for Mrs. Cow. What flavor would you like to make? Chocolate? Hazelnut? Orange? You can make any flavor you like. Are you ready? As always, first we bring our paper to draw our milkshake. Here is my yummy milkshake. Now, before we build it with Play-Doh, we need to simplify it into simple shapes. All right, let's simplify this milkshake cup. We start with the body. Just 2 rectangles, 2 colors stuck together. Band around the cup, a long strip that looks like a snake. Whipped cream, 2 twisted strips that will look like candy later. Three little teardrops. Straw, a small roll, like a very tiny snake body. Now, let's start building with Play-Doh. I'm using pink Play-Doh and white Play-Doh because I want my milkshake to be 2 colors. Stick 2 rectangles of these 2 colors together. Now, I gently pull and fold it with both hands. I repeat this until the 2 colors blend with each other and make a really beautiful mixed color effect. Now I roll it with my finger. I cut the extra parts off with my Play-Doh scissors. And then I smooth it out again with my hand so it looks like the milkshake cup. I roll some white Play-Doh with my finger, like a thin snake. Now I stick it onto the top edge of the cup. Now, the cream, the yummiest part. I roll some of that white Play-Doh again. And some pink Play-Doh. I shape it like whipped cream. I twist it from one side so it looks like cream on top of ice cream. Okay, here's the cream. Put it on your milkshake. Now, the decorations. With red Play-Doh, we make 3 little teardrop shapes for the strawberries on top of the cream. Put them on your shake, like me. Bring a little bit of green Play-Doh, roll it, then fold it and cut the extra part off. This is our mint leaf to make our shake pretty. Now we need a straw so Mrs. Cow can drink her shake easily. I roll some of that pink Play-Doh and make a thin straw. How was it? Did you like the video? If you did, please like us, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. In the next part, we are going to build Mrs. Cow's kitchen. See you in the next episode. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.